5 side hustles that can make you $500 plus per week in 2026. What if you could earn an extra $500 or more every single week without quitting your job or changing your lifestyle? In today's video, I'm going to share 5 realistic and proven side hustles that people across the globe are using to increase their income in 2026. These are not get-rich-quick ideas. They are practical, beginner-friendly ways to earn extra money if you're willing to be consistent. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last side hustle is the easiest to start. Welcome to Wealth Pathway, the channel where we talk about personal finance, smart money habits, side hustles, and long-term financial growth. Our goal is simple: to help you make better financial decisions and build multiple streams of income over time. If that sounds like something you want, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos. Side hustle number 1: freelance writing and online services. The first side hustle is freelancing, especially freelance writing and online services. Many businesses need blog posts, website content, emails, and social media captions. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients who are ready to pay. You don't need a degree to start. Basic writing skills, good communication, and practice are enough. Beginners often start by charging lower prices, but as you gain experience, it's realistic to earn $50 to $100 per project. With just a few clients per week, you can easily reach $500 or more. The key is choosing one service, improving it, and staying consistent. Side hustle number 2: print-on-demand business. The second side hustle is print-on-demand. This means selling custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases without keeping any inventory. When someone places an order, the platform prints and ships the product for you. Websites like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, and Teespring make this process simple. Your main job is creating or uploading designs. Many people use simple text designs or trending phrases. With consistent uploads and smart niche selection, some sellers earn hundreds of dollars weekly over time. This side hustle is slow at the beginning, but can grow into passive income. Side hustle number 3: online tutoring and digital skills. Side hustle number 3 is online tutoring or teaching digital skills. If you're good at a subject like mathematics, English language, graphic design, or even basic computer skills, you can get paid to teach online. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, VipKid, and Udemy allow you to teach students or create pre-recorded courses. Tutors often earn $20 to $40 per hour, and recorded courses can continue earning long after they're published. This is a great option if you enjoy helping others learn while earning steady income. Side hustle number 4: affiliate marketing. The fourth side hustle is affiliate marketing. This involves recommending products or services and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. You can promote software tools, finance apps, online services, or physical products. Affiliate marketing works best when you focus on helping, not selling. For example, you can explain how a budgeting app works or review an online tool. Some affiliate programs pay $50 to $200 per sale, making it possible to reach $500 weekly with just a few conversions. Side hustle number 5: gig economy and flexible jobs. The fifth and most immediate side hustle is gig economy work. Apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart allow you to earn money on your own schedule. Many people in the United States earn $300 to $600 per week working part-time hours. While it may not be passive income, it's one of the fastest ways to start earning extra cash with low entry requirements. In conclusion, those are 5 side hustles that can realistically help you earn $500 or more per week in 2026. The most important thing to remember is that success doesn't come overnight. Choose one side hustle. Stay consistent, keep learning, and improve step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Wealth Pathway, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Comment below which side hustle you're planning to start first. Your journey to financial growth starts today.